With all the videos I put online of RVs, I see a lot of comments of people making suggestions of types of RVs they would like to see built that honestly sometimes just don't seem realistic. And what is sitting right behind me is one of those things that was suggested that I really didn't think would be possible, and somehow they did it. So let's go take a look. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For y'all that are new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and Firmly Unbound is my own independent company. Firmly Unbound is an expression of exploration and freedom in work, play, and faith. There's going to be a link down below in the description of this video, in the comments of this video, and there'll be a little box up here in the corner that you can click on that will take you to the Firmly Unbound YouTube page, where you can learn more about what it means to live firmly unbound, as well as see all the video content that I'm putting out there on how I am trying to live a more firmly unbound life, and hopefully encouraging you to do the same. So go check that out. Plus, there's a lot of exciting stuff coming in 2024 that I will be doing with Firmly Unbound that I'm really excited to share with y'all. So go check that out. Now, this here at the Dallas RV Show is a 2024 CrossRoads Zinger, and this is a 390 DB. This is an absolutely massive travel trailer. It has 3 entry doors on it. Before I even stepped inside, I could tell this thing was unlike anything else I've ever seen because it has 3 entry doors on it. And it's not a destination trailer. It is just a standard stick and tin or aluminum with wood framing travel trailer. And I should have said aluminum siding with wood framing travel trailer. This thing here has, and the reason I said it's something that I thought was unrealistic, but something that got suggested a lot, it is a 2 full bedroom, 2 full bathroom travel trailer, which is absolutely insane. So you can see here, it is a huge travel trailer all the way around. Here's the floor plan layout and the specs. And not only that, it is right at about $50,000. Let me turn this light on here. There we go, get my light on so we can see a little bit better. But yeah, so it is a 2 full bedroom, 2 full bathroom travel trailer. It weighs over 10,000 pounds and is 43 feet long. And this gives you a 2 bedroom, 2 full bathroom RV option that is right at about $50,000, which is pretty dang insane. So we're gonna come back up front here, just give you one last look at the outside, and then we'll go take a look inside, and then we'll come back out to look at the outside features. Now, this is an entry-level travel trailer. I can already see, too, because of the floor plan layout and the way that it's designed, not a whole lot of space for exterior storage. Like, there's no pass-through storage compartment in the front or the back. And then as we walk around this way, let's see how many slide-outs are on this thing. This is a beast. 3 slide outs. So it looks like bedroom slide, living room slide, and bedroom slide behind it on that side. There is storage here that just doesn't pass all the way through. And it looks like you'll have at least storage compartments underneath this bed, and looks like there's one underneath the bed in the other bedroom as well. So not only is it a 2 full bedroom RV, but both bedrooms also have slide outs in them as well. So pretty dang impressive. Now, it does have almost like a destination style trailer entry here with this sliding glass door there. You also have 2 awnings outside as well, which is nice. As we come inside, has a standard entry step. All 3 doors have a standard entry step on them, so they don't make contact with the ground. And it should be noted, this has an incredibly high ground clearance. I mean, it looks like it's at least, it might be, 3 feet off the ground. Like, it is pretty dang high. You'd have to really get your leg up there to get up in there without the steps. You have a bottle opener here right when you walk in as well. And then again, this is the 390 DB. It does have a 3-year structural warranty, and it is a CrossRoads product. It'll have a 1-year base warranty on it. Right away when we walk in, like this access here to storage, I always think that's a good idea for a place to put like paper cups, plastic cups, paper plates, things like that. Things you want quick access to from outside. And as we walk inside here, although it is a ridiculously long travel trailer, it obviously does not have the biggest living room ever because so much space is going to other components or other rooms in this RV. But this is pretty cool to know that this has 2 full bedrooms in it and 2 full bathrooms, and you still get this living room space here. I can already see the comment section saying all that space for people to sleep and not enough spots for people to sit. And I don't know what else you want people to do unless you want people to build like a, 55 foot long travel trailer. I'm not sure. But I don't know how else you could I didn't even think this was possible to begin with, to do 2 full bedrooms in a travel trailer with 2 full bathrooms, because I've just never seen a 43-foot long stick and tin travel trailer. I've just never seen it. So unless it's a destination trailer, and destination trailers are those big squared looking ones that aren't really meant to be towed that often. So already I didn't think this was meant to be possible. So this is pretty impressive to me. Right here, you have your sofa. There is no seating directly in front of the TV, but this TV should swivel around. So yeah, you'll have a swivel mount there. You can swivel that thing around and get a little bit better viewing angle on it. Sofa here, it looks like it's storage underneath the sofa. So you can see how that opens up there. And then this will be a jackknife sofa. So if you want to make it down into a bed, it just goes down like that. Super simple. You have your dining table here. It's going to be a pretty standard looking dining table with the legs in the dining table. So you can take those legs out and that table will collapse down. Sit on these supports here, and you can use these back cushions to make this into a bed as well. Storage down underneath here, and then no carpet in the slide out. So you have this woven PVC material here, and then it actually, look at that, it has a wrapped subflooring down underneath there. So you do have a wrapped subfloor where that's a little bit more protected, which is nice. Black pleated shades on your windows. You can see your windows there, they will open up as well. And then you have pretty good lighting in here. You can see there's 6 puck lights in this slide out in total. Plus you have the blue LED light here, and then you have lights here and lights here. So pretty well lit inside this travel trailer. I do like the lighting. Curious what you think about the blue LED lights though. It's kind of interesting having those lights in here, and some people love them, some people hate them. Electric fireplace, so that will be an electric heat source for you as well. And then they're running the heating through the flooring, so you are getting a more direct heat with the best transfer of heat that you can get in a heating system in an RV. Although I know a lot of people don't like these floor vents. These here are plastic, so they don't get hot to the touch, and they are well designed so they're not aggressive to step on, 1, and 2, stuff won't fall in them as easily. You got storage up above the TV here, just a couple cabinets to open up, and those are glass doors on those. Split stainless steel sink, black faucet, and then all of your countertop space here. Has a standard RV size oven, microwave, and a standard RV size oven here with a 3-burner stove as well. It does have a vent fan here for when you're cooking, so it will vent out smells. You have 3 drawers here. The top 2 look like they're the same size, and then you have a third one that is a little bit bigger down underneath there. Storage underneath the sink, looks like you do have shelving down there that goes all the way through, and we'll go back to that same area where that other cabinet door on the other side of this countertop reached to. And then right here, this is pretty cool. You get another additional mini fridge right here. So you can use that for really whatever you want. It's kind of designed to be a beverage fridge, but you can use that for whatever you best see fit. You're going to have cabinets here, or a pantry there, and pantry space here. If we go back this way, back into this room, you have what you can see here is an east to west facing queen bed. So queen bed there, you do have little table side spaces here up above your head on each side with outlets and USB ports. You also have storage up above here. And then when we turn around, pretty dang good wardrobe storage. So you can see you have 6 drawers here. And you have a closet here with a clothing rod and a spot for a TV on the wall as well. So pretty dang good storage space. And this is not even the main bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Plus you lift up the bed, you'll have storage underneath the bed as well. There's the sink covers under there as well. And I'm sorry that I say as well so much. I need to figure out another word to say instead of as well. It just became such a part of my vocabulary when I'm talking about these RVs. As we go back into this bathroom, I'm going to try not to say as well the rest of this video, starting now. Okay, go back into the bathroom. You have a sink here, a nice plastic rectangular sink, good size on that. Lots of room in this area for you to do what you need to do. You have storage here and more storage back behind the medicine cabinet. Or behind the mirror, I should say. Spot for soap, a spot to hold toothbrushes. And then this is actually a porcelain foot flush toilet. So a good quality toilet. I really would have thought in this price point it might have a plastic toilet, because I still am surprised this thing is only $50,000. It's pretty dang impressive that they were able to do that. Then you go back into the shower here, and in the shower space, really good ceiling height in here. I didn't really point out the ceiling height before, but even at this door here, this part right here is probably at least 6'4", 6'5". So this is probably like 6'7", 6'8", up to the ceiling. So really nice there. And then when I step into the shower, ceiling height in here is about 6'2" to right there. My light keeps going off on my equipment here, but that's all right. It's about 6'2" to right here. And then you can see this actually does sit at a pretty good height. So you may not actually have to duck underneath this if you fit in this shower. Now, if you're over 6'2", you're gonna have to, maybe 6'3" with this vent right here. It's not even a vent fan, it's just a vent. You could be about 6'3" and fit up into that space. And you may have to duck just a little bit to get under that shower head or hold it over your head. But that's your bathroom area back here. Then you walk up to the front. And as we walk up this way, and as we go back into this bathroom here, your main bathroom, again, another porcelain foot flush toilet, kind of angled off there in the corner. This here has a corner shower. So actually, people may prefer that other rectangular shower there in the back, potentially. You can see, don't have as much countertop space here as well. This bedroom, this is interesting because this bedroom here is going to give you more wardrobe storage. You can see you have the wall-to-wall wardrobe. You also have a spot here that can accept a washer and dryer, or it's a bunch of wardrobe storage. So this is, as far as storage space goes, what would be considered like a master bedroom typically. But it doesn't have as many drawers, and the bathroom is actually not as favorable in my opinion. So you let me know what you think. Which one would you consider the main bedroom and bathroom, and which one would you consider the secondary bedroom and bathroom? Let me know down below in the comments, because this is technically what would be considered the main bedroom and bath. But I think if I was paying for this trailer and then I had to pick which room I wanted because I bought it, I would pick the other one. And I think that's the one I would put myself in if I was wanting the more preferable option. So you let me know what you think. Medicine cabinet storage there. Same style sink is in the other bathroom. And then storage all down underneath here. Shower height in here is going to be just about the same as in the other shower as well. And then you have a good amount of storage there with two pull-out drawers here. Now keep in mind, with an RV in this price range, you are getting pretty bare bones construction on things. Even things like your cabinet doors and things like that are all just a pressed wood that are wrapped, so not solid hardwood. So keep things like that in mind. If you are wanting, you know, a little bit more quality and luxury, then you'll have to go up in price point. Unfortunately, I just don't know that anything else like this out there exists. If there are other models like this, definitely let me know down below in the comments and I'll seek out to try to find them. This looks like a king bed here. Lift this up, there's gonna be storage down underneath here, and this one is strut assisted. So you have that storage down underneath there. Again, you have table sides on both sides, or table positions on both sides, outlets, USB ports, and then you're going to have a window there as well. These yellow stickers on the outlets, those are going to indicate that if you have an inverter on this RV, that the inverter will send power to those outlets so you can run those outlets off of the battery and solar equipment. Storage up through here. You have an AC here in the bedroom. Probably two ACs on this travel trailer. I'll go back and try to remember to check and confirm that, but I'm sure it's probably two ACs. Storage through here, so 3 drawers there. We already looked at this closet and saw the washer dryer connections, and then you have this closet here with a shelf over the top and a clothing rod all the way across there. Now with the length of this clothing rod, it's probably possible that if you're going to fill this thing up, you may need an extra bar for support there in the middle that secures maybe to the back wall or something along those lines. And then you have your light there. I was trying to see if it was a motion activated light, but it doesn't look like it is. And then as far as with the bed, let's do like an outlet check. Are there outlets around this bed? Oh wait, oh, they're above, duh. Duh, I already showed them. Right there and right there. Goodness, forgetting what I already showed. Spot for a TV on the wall here. And then let's go back through and see if where the other AC was. So you have an AC right up here over that door there. So it looks like, yeah, 2 ACs in total on this RV. And USB ports in here as well. And that's pretty much everything on the inside. So let me know what you think about the inside. If you think this is a practical floor plan layout. This thing is huge. I mean, a 3/4 ton. could probably handle this, but gosh, with the length of this thing being at 43 feet long, I mean, that is just insane. Even you look at a 44-foot fifth wheel, you have to keep in mind with the 44-foot fifth wheel, you have like 4 to 5 feet of that fifth wheel over the bed of your truck. So you're not really towing 45 feet, you're towing like 39 feet. With this, you're towing all 43, 44 feet of this trailer behind you. So that is huge. And I mean, I'd probably recommend a 1-ton to tow something like this. Keep in mind as well, if you're looking at something like this and you don't have a proper tow vehicle, but you just want to set this somewhere to live in it, you can always pay for a one-time delivery fee to have somebody move it for you. So that's always an option. Up front, you do have 2 20-pound propane bottles, a manual tongue jack. So you'll hand crank that tongue jack there. You have spot for batteries here and a battery disconnect switch there. Spot to plug in additional solar here. I do think there is solar on the roof. I don't know if we'll have a chance to get up there or not. Prep to add side cameras if you do plan on towing often and want to add side cameras there. Has manual stabilizers, so you can either hand crank these stabilizers down or you can attach a drill to this and they will just shoot down super quick. They actually shoot down way quicker than electric stabilizers, so I don't mind having manual stabilizers all that much because they technically can be faster than an electric stabilizer. Fully enclosed underbelly. All your water tanks and water lines sit above the enclosed underbelly, so you can see it's just nice and clean underneath there. And then as we keep coming this way, here's the all the specs and features on this if you want to take a second to look at this. Let me just make sure there's nothing on here that I missed. I know it says solar prep on there. Yeah, but you can pause the video and take a look at that. Down underneath here, it does have a, let's see, a Carrier KR35 tire. So that's going to be, let's see, it's a Lodestar tire. I can't see the size on the tire. I don't know where it's at. There it is. It's a 235/80 R16 tire. Standard suspension on this travel trailer. Spot to hook up a TV outside. This looks like this here is for fresh water. And keep coming back this way. More manual stabilizers along the rear side. You can store a sewer hose through the rear bumper here. It is prepped to add a backup camera. You have your spare tire here. And let's see, spot to hook up city water there. You have a cable connection there as well. And I'm curious if it has solar on it. I don't know why I'm getting so curious about this, but let's go ahead and climb up here. Okay. Up on top, no solar up here. So no solar on the roof, but you can add solar if you would like. And I think, y'all, that's just about it. We're going to jump down. Here we go. Okay. Tankless on-demand water heater. There's going to be 2 different dump areas on this travel trailer. I almost said fifth wheel because this thing is so huge. Black and gray tank dump valves here because you have 1 bathroom here, and then black and gray dump valves over on the other side of the axles because you have your kitchen and other full bathroom over there. Again, storage space underneath the bed here. You'll have that on both sides, and this also shows you the wooden framing throughout this travel trailer. And that is pretty much everything. Again, I'm here at the Dallas RV show, and this is in February of 2024, where the price on this thing here is $49,995. So pretty dang impressive. I mean, again, if you're just looking for a 2 full bedroom, 2 full bathroom option, especially something to live in, and you want it as budget friendly as possible, I don't know that there's a better option out there than this. This might be the one. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let me know if you could see yourself camping or living in something like this. And that's all I got for y'all. Until next time, live firmly unbound.